got cute Beauties, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's an awesome female in a 1931 Pierce Arrow, model 43 Sport Pink. There's a sexy girl in a 1948 Ford Custom blown pickup. There's a wild looking babe in a 1958 Chevrolet Apache hot rod pickup big block. Pretty woman here, a 1968 Ford Mustang Custom Fastback. There's a red hot chick in a 1978 Chevrolet Custom Corvette Coupe 350 cubic inches. There's a wild looking woman, a 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Knockout gal in a 1998 GMC Sierra 1500. Here's a cute chick in a 2008 GT Mustang Custom. Sexy girl here in a 1938 Dodge Custom pickup. Okay, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show there. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.